Oh, it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. It's still dark outside, and I came out and found that there is a oil leak under this Norton, the yellow Norton. This is black light, and oil fluoresces in black light. So it was about that big. I put a towel on top of it to illustrate it. And I got under here and I took a look, and you can see the oil drop right there on the engine. Okay, so there are the couple of drops of oil there. They travel over and fall off. At the end, I was able to go back across the motor and come up here and see there seems to be the source right there. Let's get that light on there. At this vent, this is a early 750 model, and that vent tube fitting seems to be leaking. So I'll take that out and reseal it, and maybe that'll solve the problem. So anyway, interesting. Oil fluoresces under black light. You can buy one of these little black light flashlights at your local friendly hardware store for about $3.50, $4. And it'll help you find oil leaks. I put oil into the tranny. I put oil into the primary. I have some things to do this morning. We'll see how they hold up and maybe do a test start later in the day.